Sax Riffs. I'm here for the Funketeers who want to play it by ear and keep it simple. And today we're learning another James Brown classic, My Thang.
Brand new funk. Tell us about brand new funk. Yeah, all right. If you want to get down, do it. Wild and rap too. Put your hand on the lower left. You know, yeah. This is what you rap to. I mean, come on like this. Come on, yeah. Give me.
Wow, what an intro! Let me break it down so you can play along. The whole band is in unison for this classic soul opening, and the notes for alto sax are G, F, D, C, B flat, G.
Brand new funk. Tell us about brand new funk. Yeah, all right. If you want to get down, do it.
So that's the first phrase of a three-phrase progression. James Brown is telling us what he's got in store for us, and the second time he announces a brand new funk, that's our cue to play C, F, D sharp, F, D sharp, F, D sharp, F, D sharp. That was the next phrase along. The notes you'll need are D, G, F, D, B, D. And we've reached the last phrase in that build-up. Let me show you the notes. E, A, G, E, G. This fat, funky payoff, we're taking the top line, and for us altos, we just need 3 notes. D, F, G. D, 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 F, G. D, 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 F, G. D, F, G. So that's our next motif. The third time around, James Brown demands, gimme! We enter with this undercurrent motif to complement his vocals. It's a call and answer between the horns, but we're going to play it as one line. The first part is a harmony line for the alto, and the notes are A, G, A, G, A, G, A, G, A, G, F. And to finish the motif, B, D, D. Let's try that whole phrase with James Brown. Now we play that motif 4 times. You'll feel the natural end to that section. Then we have a little break and listen to the bass. Build the tension for 4 bars. Then the whole brass section raises the roof with the next riff. On alto you will need F, G, A, G. Then we are back in with our motif after James Brown's first Gimme! And we repeat the whole sequence again, twice. Remember to leave space before our climactic roof-raising riff with the trumpets. Then we chill out and enjoy listening to James Brown and his rhythm section. And that's it! Take it easy at first and use a metronome to stay in the groove. And it won't be long before you're up to tempo and playing along as if you were playing live with James Brown. Have fun! Don't worry about making mistakes. Keep playing. Oh yeah, and subscribe here.